Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Therefore, the people cannot avail the financial benefits. Stop. To reduce this corruption in the middle of the process, there is a direct connection now made by the government in the form of e-government services. Stop. Digital India schemes are so far considered to be the most useful application and the best example of digitalization. Stop. It is attracting a lot of people due to its unique application and easy to understand. Stop. Thus, it can be said that digitalization is a long term change and is on the verge of becoming a major pillar of the information and communication technology sector. Stop. Digitalization means to move a system where data is converted into digital format as against having the data on paper or reel of film, etc. Para. This involves the use of computers, information technology, and the internet. Stop. Educational information has been converted to the digital format that can be stored easily and accessed easily from anywhere via internet and computers. Stop. So, books, papers, journals, and newspapers are being converted to a digital format. Stop. He banking and finance industry has majorly shifted from manual operations to digital and online operations in the past few decades. Stop. Digitization in entertainment means a gradual shift of audiovisual media, movies, music, etc., into a digital format and other online resources. Stop. In tourism, air tickets, hotels, taxis, tourist attractions can all be accessed through the internet via online digital resources. Stop stanza. Digitization has transformed the photography industry with the introduction of the digital camera. Stop. Photographs have shifted from film to digital media. Stop. A vast amount of information is easily accessible via digital and online resources. Stop. Digital storage of books, films, literature, etc. has cut down on cost and maintenance of huge libraries, archives, and physical storage facilities. Stop. Travel time and cost to access libraries, archives, etc. is saved as one can access the resources at home or online. Stop. The durability and lifespan of digital resources is better. Stop. Rare and difficult to find books, media resources can now be easily accessed. Stop. Digital resources can be transferred online and thus can be accessed from or shared to global locations. Stop. The accounting, tracking, and coding of resources is easier. Stop. In banking and finance industry, paperless operations have cut down on time, money, and resource costs. Stop. Panda. The banking transactions have become more user friendly as you can operate your own accounts via online banking. Stop. Operations have become easy for the operating staff at banks, libraries, offices, etc., as they can sort through and manage digital resources far easily. Stop. The manpower cost has also gone down as resources are more easily manageable. Stop. Digitization of real estate, tourism, etc. industries allows research, booking, and planning from your online tools. Stop. Storage, editing, and transfer of digital photographs is extremely user friendly. Stop. cost and process complexity of developing and printing photographs has gone down. Stop. Security management of critical resources has also become easier due to digitization. Stop. Digitization has revolutionized the information, media, and all industry sectors. Stop. It has transformed our daily lives to a new level of easiness and comfort. Stop. Though one needs to be cautious of its addictive and overuse potential. Stop over.